Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by fitting the fins and starting movement immediately. Put them on dry, then stand in shallow water to test fit. Toes should touch but not cramp. Once fitted, warm up 5-10 minutes with ankle mobility and easy 25-50 kick sets. Keep your body long and horizontal. This aligns hips and reduces drag. Make the first few kicks deliberate and slow so you feel how the fins change propulsion. Then increase cadence gradually to integrate the new kick feel. Once warmed, move into focus drills to build technique and power. Do 3 to 6x 50-meter sets mixing kick only, ankle snap, single leg, and streamline off-the-wall reps. You want small, fast kicks driven from the hips and ankles. Avoid bending at the knee too much because that wastes energy. Make sure to alternate fin use with tools like a pull buoy or paddles so you can isolate leg work versus full stroke mechanics. Keep feedback loops. Feel, correct, and repeat each rep deliberately. You finish sessions by building load sensibly and then cooling down. Increase total distance or intensity by roughly 10 to 20% per week, but always prioritize clean technique over raw speed. After the main set, cool down 5 to 10 minutes with easy swimming and ankle stretches to preserve range of motion. If you feel pain, stop immediately, remove the fins and check fit, then shorten future sessions. If problems persist, consult a coach to adjust kick mechanics or fin.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.